Okay, this is Lucas French with Meridian Medical demonstrating the RetailPoint software. As you can see here, I've imported Ricardo's spreadsheet. Items can be displayed grouped by their, here you can see acetaminophen. This is, 45 and 100 tablets of the 500s, and their individual quantities. Quantities of all items are set with thresholds. This is the minimum number that you would want to have on stock, in stock, before essentially someone gets an email saying it's time to reorder. So here we'd specify that in stock we have 20. We always want to have at least 10 of those. When it gets 10, cue the automatic reorder. And max is the number that by default this store would order up to. We would order up to 50 in stock, so that then we would have that amount on hand. So the little feature I like about for each item allows you to print a tag right here, and I've just put in a dummy UPC. That's not the real number, but just printed just to print out 20 tags, 20 of the tags with the barcodes. This software is set up to integrate with a Zebra brand printer, which is for sale on Amazon for about 40 bucks. There we go. Here's the tag. So you set how many of those tags you're going to do and hit print. Prints it out. And this was really nice and easy to work with. I was able to get all 430 items into RetailPoint in a matter of minutes, and I just put in these categories of items just for demonstration. So to show the what the front office would be doing with this software installed, and this does actually work on the with the internet down. It will save your work, allowing, if the internet goes down during the workday, you can continue to work, and then it will upload credit card payments when it's ready. So here we're selling some stuff, acetaminophen, and I put in what the local tax code was. And if I had a barcode scanner, I would just scan it directly on this. It would just take it right out. You see how it defaults to placing the cursor in this screen. Basically, you just beep, 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 scan, and you're done checking out. And has this entered here for cash. I don't have the credit card feature yet. Let's say that they're going to do a check, accept, and it's going to print a receipt. Now, this system would seem to be robust enough to replace the LITEC system for cash pay patients, just adding the CPTs as an item, possibly even with a barcode. All the CPTs that we use would be, in the system, printing out, and that actually printed out my printer. Meant to just hit print, but yeah, it prints out a nice receipt at the printer. And I wanted to demonstrate a little bit more the functionality of managing inventory between the two clinics. The quantities shown here are per the clinic which you are logged into. That is to say, the one terminal is logged in at San Francisco or San Jose, and the inventory values that just show there. If you want to see what's going on across different locations, you would go into reports, and from this pull down, you can see here's the San Francisco store, here's San Jose, and the graph updates to show us different inventories. This is by vendor, how much stuff by each vendor we have, and then this would give you an export of current inventories at a given location, which you indicated here. You can export that, filter it down, print it. And the customer tracking would be if we were, entering per customer whenever somebody was a patient and was seen. I don't know that we would use that functionality, but could be nice. Here's sales reports by type, by payment type, best-selling items. Worst selling items, brands and the vendor sales. Oops, I'm in San Jose, I didn't have any data. But here's sales data, sales trends. And so yeah, if the CPTs were in there with values, you'd really have some nice reporting on what revenues were for the different clinics. And this is, like I said, best sellers in various dates. So yeah, last report, total sales by item. This would be a nice report if we had all the CPTs and values in this software. So this is pretty nice software. It's $100 a month. It's very easy to set up. It might end up being more than $100 per month, depending on how many workstations we had using it. Seems to do everything that we'd want it. Does have barcode integration. Would require the purchase of a different label printer, I believe, if we wanted to have the barcodes on the labels, but it could just continue using the labels that we had until we got barcode readers online. And yeah, I don't see any really significant gaps of what it should do and what it doesn't. It all seems to be there, so look forward to talking to you about it.